Hey guys, Kirill from SkyDrones here. With this video, I would like to start a series of talks on cutting-edge challenges and market opportunities in the drone industry, especially commercial drones industry, since despite it's growing so rapidly right in front of our eyes, there are still so many things which can be done to optimize and transform the way how businesses work and the way we live in general. So one of the most challenging things at the moment is the automation process. I believe you will agree with me that manual flight with RC radio for commercial applications and data capturing is kind of dead now. Fortunately, we have lots of various apps which allow to plan the mission in advance, generate grid of waypoints according to camera settings, so then the plan can be uploaded to the drone. After the drone flew its mission, you have a bunch of pictures on SD card, so you need to take the SD card out, copy images to your laptop, geotag them, upload for processing. Yeah, this kind of works, but you see that the human is involved a lot. Just too many manual operations and a huge barrier for scaling this up. Just imagine you have a construction site or a mine or whatever, and you need to monitor that daily, or even multiple times a day. I guess you understand what I mean. So one of the things to solve this is actually coming soon. The information being captured during the flight can be instantly transmitted to the ground station software and uploaded to the cloud in the background or later, or even directly uploaded to the cloud via 4G networks right from the flying drone for further processing. So no messing with SD cards or manual flight copy anymore. You can even have information available before the drone is back to its home position. This is what we call the real automation, and it's super cool, isn't it? Another thing that I would like to talk about today is that everybody keeps telling and thinking that the drone's hardware and flight software market is completely taken by DJI. This is actually not exactly right, and I cannot agree with that. There are lots of customers in security sector which simply cannot use DJI products due to the sensitivity of the data captured during the mission. Therefore, such large corporations are highly interested in custom solutions, which are built in close collaboration and trusted. Of course, this requires creating both hardware and software, and we see lots of interest from such customers. And I can say for sure that DJI is not a unique manufacturer of the hardware and flight control system software at the moment. So thanks for watching, thanks for your time, hope you enjoyed the video, and see you in the next one. Bye.